Good morning at one of my favorite coffee shops. This is Java Garden are we in Sierra Mesa? I think so, up the hill from Mission Valley. I'm one of the first customers. There's another one in there right now ordering. I think I've kind of beat him to putting the tables up and doing all kinds of things. They open at 6, it's about 6:30 now. So my newest YouTube strategy is, oh, okay. Here, this is a cinnamon honey latte with almond milk. I am shooting individual sentences in individual spots to mix it up, keep it different, and make it fun, make it more interesting, hopefully. Okay, back over here for another cold coffee this time. Pretty tasty. Same flavor as this morning, honey cinnamon with almond milk, but cold instead of hot. So, and I see they're still working on the building. I don't think they were at work yet this morning. So I guess now I could flip this around thusly and talk to the camera. So I will for a moment. I'm tempted to call this Java Jazz Garden, but it's Java Garden. We know that. That's okay. That's all right. I'm talking to the camera. That's all right. So here I'm editing a little bit. I've got some things to figure out in Final Cut. I haven't used it in probably 2 or 3 years, so I'm looking at a tutorial to get this together. Meanwhile, let's see if I can get the garden mural on axis. Kind of suppose well, that's pretty good, actually. Okay, so we're knee deep into Final Cut Pro. So I'm watching a tutorial by Nick Kendall, and I need my prescription glasses, which happen to be sunglasses. Sorry about that.
For organizing all your footage, all your audio, you can create as many keyword collections as you like. So that's super handy. So from here, now we can just literally get a piece of footage and just drag and drop it into our timeline. And then if we hit spacebar, that will start to play our footage in the timeline. Which brings us to part 2 of this tutorial.
So they're closing here in about 20 minutes. So I think the best use of my time is to utilize this backdrop. And what I want to do is see if I can get this microphone to work again. So I would imagine I probably need to, I don't know if I can plug this in hot or not. I guess we'll try. Why not? Okay. So here, I'm going to slip this in right here. Let's see what happens. I'll grab the mic and push it for 1 second. Okay, I've now got a solid light in both places, so that tells me I'm powered up. So yeah, that should be good audio. So if I put this thing right here, which I think I've determined is the best place for it. So this is Kari, everybody.
Hey!
Exactly. So we're closing up shop. It's almost 3.
Yay!
Yeah, man, your drink was delicious. Compliments to the chef.
You're welcome. No problem.
Yeah, nice. So yeah, I'll let you carry on. I'm just going to do a little spin, and then I'm going to get out of here so you can get out of here a little bit early, a couple minutes early. Sure, if there's nobody here.
We'll see. Yeah.
Oh,
Someone could skate in.
Oh, well, very nice. Okay. Oh, sure, I see. If you get a last minute, catering order? Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Triple shot.
Somebody comes in at 5 till and wants to spend $100, you'll stay?
Right.
Got it. Dig it. Thank you, Kari.
You're welcome.
This is such a cool place. So vibey. I mean, look at this. You know. Okay, this would be the establishment in question. Thought I'd get a little of the outside. Cheers and ciao for now.